Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a game pass in Roblox so you can use it and please donate and start receiving Roblox donations. So let's get started. What you can do is you can open up your browser and go to roblox.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Once you are here, you can go over to the create option in the top and select it up. And once you select it up, it should open up the create.roblox.com, your Roblox studio. Now from here, just go over to experiences. So scroll down and you should be finding experiences option. You can just go over and select this option right here, open it up, or you can go to creations and from here select up your experience. Just go ahead and click on this option right here and open it up. Let me just show you like this. Now once you open it up, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and go to this section right here and scroll down until you reach over to the section called passes and open it up. And once you click on passes, here you will be finding different options, including an option called create a pass. So click on create a pass, and once you do so, you can add up image. You can click on change. You can click on change if you'd like to add up image in JPG, PNG form. You can just go ahead and do so, and even type in your pass name. And once you type in your pass name, you can even add up a description up to 1,000 characters and click on create pass. Once you confirm it up, what you can do is you can just go ahead and select up your pass that you've created, which should be this one right here. This is the one we created just now. After it's created, you can go ahead and click on the three dot right beside it, and you can select the option for copy the pass ID or URL. And after you do so, you can even set it for sale. You can just go ahead and click on it first, and once you do so, you can go to sales option here. And from there, go ahead and select the option item for sale, enable it. And once you toggle up the option, you can set up the default price. For example, let's say this is the default price. And once you do so, you can click on save changes. And that will be the amount that people will be donating to you. After that is done, you can just go over and open up Roblox. Head over to Roblox Player and open it up. After that, just head over to Please Donate and start playing it. And once you are inside the game, you can just go ahead and claim a stand. So head over to one of the stand. For example, let's say this is the stand I would like to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to one of the stands. And you can claim it up. Let's say this is the one. You can click on E and claim your stand, and once you do so, the Roblox should be available. You can just go ahead and click on plus and go ahead and paste the URL here if you want to create a game pass for your experience. After that, click on next and confirm it up, and the game pass will be available there. And that's it. Now you've successfully made a game pass for Please Donate. Now people can support you and by donating Roblox. If this video helped you out, do not forget to give it a like and subscribe and share it with your friends.